best bedtime, which is part of the challenge for you as well. So, Dr. Bruce, talk to us about exactly how we do that.
So it's very simple. Everybody has a self-determined wake-up time, whether that's for kids, work, what have you. We all know we get up at a certain time. Well, I want people to count backwards from that time by 7.5 hours. Why 7.5? Because the average sleep cycle is 90 minutes long, and the average person has 5 of them. That equals 7.5 hours. And then I want you to set your alarm clock, not to wake you up, but to go to bed.
Okay. For everybody out there who's not setting their alarm clock at 7.5 hours, again, that's 5 sleep cycles worth of sleep.
Exactly.
That you're not going to be able to get sleep no matter what else you do in this program. Okay, that's step number 1. Step number 2, coming over, is a supplement, specifically with calcium and magnesium. Now, I talk a lot about supplements, but these are 2 that I thought most people were taking. So, Dr. Bruce, I'm not going to say anything else. Please educate us about why you think calcium and magnesium as a sleep doctor makes sense.
These are 2 of the best natural sleep aids available. We know that both calcium and magnesium are great for your nervous system, specifically to help calm you down.
Check them out. And they calm you and they relax you. Put them together. They're valuable for other reasons as well. Can you do this?
Yes.
Okay, step 2. All right. Step number 3, this one shocked me. I never thought about this, and I really didn't ever thought about this potential tool. And Dr. Bruce, you argue that step number 3 should be to tame your tummy with antacids. Dr. Bruce, why is this so important, even for people who don't think they have any reflux problems?
Okay, so first of all, everybody knows gastroesophageal reflux. We know that it's heartburn or that acid that comes up in the back of our throat. Well, when you lie down, you're immediately prone and able to actually have reflux. Many people think that they don't have reflux, and there's something out there called silent reflux, right?
I heard a word there, silent.
Okay.
So you don't feel it, you're not conscious of it, but then all of a sudden, it pulls you out of deep stages of sleep because this acid comes up and it makes you breathe. What I ask people to do is I say, I want you to take it 30 minutes before bed for 7 days. You do that for a week, here's what you're going to see. You're going to see, number 1, that the ingredients that are in here are actually going to be helping you with your sleep. But if you have silent reflux, it'll be handled.
And you know what? If it doesn't work after a week, then you can stop. But I think this is an experiment that everybody in America who's having an issue with sleep ought to be thinking about, whether you think you have reflux or not. Fair enough? Step number 3. It's very safe to do. And step number 4, and this is, again, pretty cool, is to sip a combo tea for Z's.
Right. So we've got valerian and we've got passion flower. And there's good data to suggest, actually, valerian is the most well-researched herb out there for sleep as far as natural solutions are concerned. And you just put them together, steep them together, and then voila.
And the key, again, is the valerian root.
Absolutely.
So what do you think? You have hope now?
Yes, I do.
All right, I hope you and a lot of other folks as well. Okay, when we come back, there's more. We're going to help you make over your bedroom to help you lose weight. Plus, you can find out if you're eligible to win $1 million.